Python's dict.setdefault looks like a safe way to initialize lists, but it silently overwrites existing values when you're not careful. One common pattern corrupts your data without warning. Create a new empty dictionary and assign it to the identifier d. Call setDefault on d for key using a newly created empty list as the default value, which returns that list and immediately appends integer 1 to it, since no prior value exists for key a. Call setDefault on d for the same key a, but since key a already exists with its list value, it returns that existing list without creating a new one and appends integer 2 to it. Output the current contents of d to standard output, showing all existing key value pairs. Assign a newly created empty list directly as the value for key b in d, overriding any prior value if present. Access the list value associated with key b in d and append integer 3 to it using the list append method. Output the current contents of d to standard output, showing all existing key value pairs after all modifications have been applied. Always use defaultdict list when building lists, never dict.setdefault for mutable defaults. Subscribe for daily coding videos to avoid these silent bugs.